Hey, so we're back from eating at the specialty Italian place called AIDA by Scapoletti, I think it is. And there's Carol, she's exhausted. Want to say something, hon?
And he's had 6 drinks already.
I've had a couple of wines and a gin and tonic. But, you know, was it worth it? According to Carol, she says the food was good, service sucked. The place was wicked noisy. According to me, I ordered the veal. I had my pasta as a kind of like an appetizer, and then they brought the veal with no pasta or no sauce. So
it was just breaded veal.
Yeah, it was breaded veal, so I ate it dry basically, and I'm used to eating veal with the sauce and noodles, like El Forno style in Lunenburg, Mass. So it was a little disappointing.
The chicken was delicious.
Carol,
chicken.
Yeah, Carol had some roasted chicken. I would say it was better than the veal. So now we're wrapping up today, Wednesday. Tomorrow's the day at sea. So I got my GoPro working again, so I'm a happy guy. And that's it for tonight. Say good night, Carol.
Good night.
Good night. Here it is, Thursday. Day at sea. We just woke up. Had a good night's sleep. And still in the process eating at the Italian restaurant with all the Texans. That'll be part of the day. Oh, so it looks pretty good out here, doesn't it? This is why you get a balcony. You can do stuff like this. I'm not on it all the time, but just to get out of the room, have a little privacy. All for sailing. I'll be here for